A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located in the heart of the East End of Barrie, spanning over 1,000 square feet.
With indoor parking, not to mention this balcony is over 20 feet wide, facing the sunny south. All that and more on today's episode. Got a condo living in the East End of Barrie. This is almost unheard of.
It really is such an exceptional location over here, and condos rarely come available. Now this location, let's dial into it. We're just a 2-minute walk down from the Johnson and Blake Street corridor, which is arguably one of the most convenient in the entire city of Barrie. I'm talking grocery store, you've got pharmacy, you've got the beer store, incredible Thai restaurant, you have salty Blonde Bagel Bar, some of the best bagels in the entire city. On the other side, we've got Johnson's Beach and incredible walking trails just moments down the road from here, and you're a 5-minute drive to RVH and major transportation routes. How good's that?
Scotty said salty blonde, so if you need a coffee or a couple fresh bagels, that's going to come in real handy. Now let's go in the building and take a quick peek. Now we know the location is superb. Welcome to 414 Blake. You're gonna love this lobby. It's been recently updated. It's no wonder that units in this building don't come available very often. We have a nice corner unit on the 4th floor. Come on up and take a peek.
Welcome inside Suite 406. Now this layout has a ton of uniqueness that's gonna make downsizing from your home to a condo an absolute breeze. We're talking over 1,000 square feet here. Total open concept between the living room and the formal dining room that is just off of the galley kitchen. We got tons of cabinetry, not to mention an abundance of usable counter space as well. In addition to that, you've got an incredible view. Now we are located in the corner unit here. Now anytime we're talking corner units, that means we're picking up extra windows and extra natural light, and you are feeling all of it inside this suite.
We're in a nice corner unit like Scotty mentioned earlier. Now the natural light is beautiful. The windows are huge. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, a really nice size walk-in closet. My personal favorite is you have your own in-suite laundry here, which is not offered very often in this building. Scotty, this vibe is great. Is there anything more relaxing than the sunny south exposure on a nice balcony like this?
I'm more relaxed just looking at you over here, but this is as good as it gets. This balcony is over 20 feet long, all overlooking the impressive East End Barrie tree canopy with that sun shining right down on you. This is what dreams are made of. Now we are talking maintenance-free living in the East End of Barrie in an incredible building that offers a ton of amenities as well, from party room to games room. We've got the indoor parking plus visitor parking, and it's incredibly well managed. It doesn't get much better than that.
Gonna have to get my SPF 85 on soon. I'm getting a little bit of a burn. We are the Knowles Woolsey team and we know condos. For more information on this one and more like, visit our website.